Hi everyone, it's me again for another simple yet useful tutorial. This time I'll be teaching you on how to put some text and change the colors, contrast, the styles of the photo. So just watch and let's start. So just click this button, the T button, then click the part of the photo, type the text. So I'll be typing my picture, then highlight it. You can change the font. I'll stick to Perpetua, then I'll stick to its size, which is 150. You can change the color. Then you can also change the style. So choose from these different styles. So I'll be using that style now. Just select it, click this button to select all the photo, then click the adjustments, brightness and contrast. Adjust the brightness by simply clicking and dragging this button here. So look at the photo if whatever you want, whatever brightness you want. So I'll put it to 30. Then the contrast, put it to 21. Next would be the hue and saturation. The hue would be 40. Saturation would be, it looks great, so I'll stick to 46. I'll put it to 46. Then the lightness, +2. So look for another, the color balance, cyan. So I'll stick to that color, I'll stick to that. So that's it. It's simple yet useful. That's all for now. Again, thank you for watching. I'll save it. It's done. Thank you.